and then E again, scale outwards, and then E again. Right, so you can have a little basic shape like this. It comes in the middle just slightly, and then you've got the outsides here. So what I'm going to do is going to press this little button here, which makes it invisible. Press 1 on your number pad. If you can't press 1 on your number pad, you've got viewpoint, so you can go from front to back, top to bottom and stuff like that. For me, I've got an extended keyboard. I've got the banker's number pad on one side. If you don't have that, then this is the other option that you can have, which will take you to the top view. Go view, viewpoint, top, you've got that one, which is already on. Viewpoint, front, but I want viewpoint 1. So we can now see what's going on inside of our object. So we're going to go E for extrude again. I'm just going to bring a second screen in here. If you want the second screen, just drag from the top right corner. And this second screen is basically just going to tell me what's going on whilst I'm working on this screen. So E for extrude, we're going to go scale in slightly. This is the lip of the plate. E for extrude again, but don't move it. And then we're going to go in slightly just to make the top lip of the plate. E for extrude, and then this one is going to be scaled, S for scale, and then we're going to go G downwards. So what you can see on this edge of the plate right now is we have, if I just take off the invisible bit, we have the kind of edge of the plate going on. So now what we want to do is make the inside of the plate, the curve on the inside. So we can see from this diagram right here that we've just got onto the inside of the plate. This is matching up to this one. And what I would like to do is go E for extrude. And you notice that the vertices just goes through a little bit. So what we're going to do is going to scale that down. And that vertices should sit just on the inside of here. So I'm just going to go up a little bit. And then we're going to go scale outwards.